Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Gemini AI in Bard. First of all, open up your browser, then go straight to Bard AI. After that, just hit enter. Now, once you're at the website, you will have to make yourself an account. Now, if you see on the top right corner right here, you have extensions of Bard AI. Now, if you click on it, here you will see all your extensions and if they are enabled or not. For example, Google Flights, Google Hotels, Google Maps, Google Workspace, and YouTube. This is all due to Gemini AI. Now just go back to Bard. Now in here you will have to type in what model is Bard using. After that, just hit enter. This right here is to confirm that you have access to Gemini AI. As of today, January 12, 2024, I am primarily powered by Gemini, a large language model. So this is the confirmation that I have access to Gemini AI. And you can also use it for yourself to check that you have access to Gemini or not. And in case if you don't, you will just have to wait. There's just no other solution at this time right now. Now we're gonna try out this Gemini model. We're gonna use one of the extensions provided by Gemini AI, let's say YouTube. So I'm just gonna type in a prompt. So I have written a prompt, show me best YouTube titles including their thumbnails on the topic Go Pro Cricket. Now keep in mind one thing that when you're gonna use the extension, you will have to put at the rate of sign before that extension. And after that, just hit enter. If you see right here, these are the videos right here. This one right here as well, with those thumbnails as well. There's a different one right here with the ones. So it has used YouTube to give me some good videos on the topic of GoPro cricket as well as shown me their thumbnails as I wanted in my prompt. Now let's use another extension. For example, let's say Google Hotels. Give me best hotels in Rome using put the at the rate of sign using. Now as you can see, once I put this at the rate of sign right here, I have these extensions right here. So I'm just gonna use Google Hotels. So I'm using Google Hotels. And that just hit enter. So here it has used Google Hotels to give me my result. So these are the hotels in Rome. The price is converted to my currency, so which is a big plus. And these are the hotels right here with their prices and their ratings and the pics as well. You can also use other extensions to get the best results from Bard. So that's pretty much it, and that's how to use Google Gemini AI and Bard. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.